Graph theory in spam detection. Uh, Today, we are looking at how complex mathematical network called graph theory are used to stop spam on platforms like WhatsApp. Introduction. Why traditional filter fail? Traditional filter look for keywords like win a prize. Farmer have learned how bypass this. You need to look at the social DNA of an account, how it connect to others, to find a better real bad actors. The mathematical framework. Uh, the basic idea of this is nodes and edges, and this edges are the interconnection or message. Like when we map million of this, we get a graph that reveals the hidden. Human versus spam patterns. The contract, the real life versus bot. Humans, we have a repository. If message you usually message back. We stay in a cluster, friends, family, like that. Spammers, they message thousands of people who never reply. Low reciprocal random edges burst like that will come. Degree-based distribution. 100x out degree spike. Identify high out but low in degree node. In graph theory, degree is the number of connections. A spammer have a massive out degree, sending any tiny in degree means receiving when an account ratio hits 100. It's a massive red flag. Community detection. Uh, Lowian modularity identify these groups. Spam nodes are outlier bridges, unrelated communities. Using this Lowian algorithm, we can see natural clubs. Farmers don't belong to any club. They try to build bridges into every club at once. They look like unnatural bridges on our map. Flow optimization. It contains capacity constraints, threshold optimization, rate limiting. Uh, the goal is to set the range. Today we are looking at how complex mathematical network called graph theory are used to spam on platform like WhatsApp and all. Burst message detection, monitoring edges, weight, frequency, detect sudden spikes across unrelated nodes. Spammers act in bursts to try and beat the system before they get caught. We monitor the weight of message. If a node suddenly send 500 message in 10 seconds, the people they have never. Case study WhatsApp. By using this graph models platform like WhatsApp, we have reduced group spam by over 65%. It allows them to catch the master account rather than just blocking one single message. It is 65% reduce in spam messages, faster isolation, automatic flow. Key advantages. The main important key advantages of this is scalability, precision, automation, adaptability. It works for billion of users. It doesn't accidentally block your grandma. Her pattern look human. Future ones. Graph neural network, dynamic real-time graph, privacy analysis. Using deep learning to find even more subtle, subtle patterns, dynamic graphs, watching the network move in real time like a living organism like that. And thank you.